How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Single Section Sunday, where every Sunday we showcase a particular single section for you to view. And this Sunday, it goes by the name of the 1202 Cabin. And what makes the 1202 Cabin so great is if you're like me, you like to come home and have a side of the house that is just yours, that you feel peace and serenity on, and this split floor plan gives you that option. If you guys follow me right this way, we'll start right here with the guest bath. You got the nice tub shower right here. So those like to take baths, you definitely got that option. You got the nice hickory cabinets right here, built-in sink, and it flows perfectly right here to the guest bedroom. You have an abundance of space right here. You can fit a king size, queen size, whatever you'd like to put in here. What I like about it also, you'll notice all these southern yellow pine trim, the vaulted beam going down the middle. You got all those options in here also. You guys follow me this way. We'll go right into the living area. And it opens up so nicely because you come in, you see all this natural light. And as you can see right there, we've got the nice transom windows bringing in the natural light, large windows down below on each side, making this a nice feel. You see we got full-size couch, couple of chairs. You guys are more than welcome to put a sectional in here. There's more than enough room to do so. What makes it so great and feel larger than life is that it flows perfectly into the dining area. We've got a nice built-in hutch right here also. Gives you plenty of room up top for counter space. A lot of cabinets down below, all the hickory cabinets up above for your storage. You can fit a dining table here as well, but you don't need to because you got the hutch for all the workspace. And it flows perfectly also into your kitchen. Come right here, you got an abundance of countertop space, hickory cabinets throughout, full-size stove. You got the stainless steel sink, and you got your dishwasher and refrigerator. What makes this area so great is that also for the people that like to cook, you've got a nice large pantry right here. Definitely got a few shelves right there for you to stack all your canned goods. You can close that right back, and it leads right here into your laundry room. You got an exterior door right here on the back. So when you come in, you got everything you need right here for your full-size washer and dryer, a few cabinets right above for your storage purposes. And what I like, remember we talked about earlier, is that you got your own side of the house. You come right here, and now you're in the master. This is your side of the home that you can call yours. Fit a good king-size bed in here, and there's more than enough room for you to do that. What's so great is you also got the walk-in closet. Come right in here, got enough space to walk around. You're good to go in here, and right here is an ensuite master bath. You got the built-in sink with the hickory cabinet right above. And you got the stand-up shower. Remember we had the bathtub shower in the guest bathroom. Got the stand-up shower over here, so your options are endless. You guys follow me this way. We'll walk right back through the house and show you why this home is so great, just being north of 800 square feet. For those that don't want to go so tiny and don't want to go so large, this is the happy medium and the great home to call your next getaway cabin or your forever cabin. And I thank you guys so much for tuning in for another Single Section Sunday. Remember, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. You come see me, and I'll get you a deal you can't refuse. You guys have a great day.